typical Super Bowl car ad, right?
Or a hilarious beer ad.
It's a Tide ad.
What?
It's a Tide ad.
What makes it a Tide ad?
There are no stains. Look at those clean clothes. What else would this be an ad for?
Diamonds?
A gift that lasts for
No, Tide.
Oh, does this make every Super Bowl ad a Tide ad?
I think it does. Watch and see.
Oh my God.
Hi folks, if you don't mind, could you please share out my GoFundMe link? I really need your help today. Thank you. My link will be at the end and in the description below. Thank you everybody. I love you all.